We have a morning coffee. Smacznego, wujek, and Chochang.
Beżowy Mercedes. Mercedes w budynku. Następnym razem ci przywiozę z Niemiec.
And sernik. Smacznego. So we are in the Port Sauvage. Here is the place, the restaurant by the lake. So busy. That was the time when we were meeting our family, Wuyek and Chochang time, and we just had our, Sunday coffee. And now I would like to take you to one beautiful lake close by our house, but not in Rusalka, but different one. As you know that in Poznan there are so many lakes, there are so many parks that I didn't explore yet. So yeah, let's go. Now I am in the Yesichka bus station waiting for the bus. Let's go. Look, there are so many green areas here, park, something like that. And this one is the bus station. People are cycling. Look at this. We just drive few kilometers, and along the way, on the left, on the right side, it's so green. Starry Shreshnik. Nice. Everywhere is green. This is what I really like. Nice. So we arrive in Streshinek. So here is, I think that there is event there, but we just keep walking and walking. See, many people are going there. This is what I really like in Poznan. Wherever you go, everywhere is green nature and like this. Live in the area, it's called Streshinek. It's basically the lake and the beach and so many attraction, and later on you also can kayak. I read like that in a Google review. So basically in Poznan there are lots of green things and forest and lake and also family things. You see, like everywhere you go you will see family here. I really like it. Here we are in Jezero Streshineczki or Streshinek, and here is the map. And you see, when you just arrive here, you already can feel like, everybody is enjoying their time. Here there are ice cream shop, there are for kayak, people sunbathing. And here is Plaza Malibu or Malibu Beach. Basically, you see people already sunbathing here, and a restaurant here. Wow, awesome. In front of me was a restaurant. There is one nice restaurant, and here also there is bar. And you see like so many family here, like riding bicycle, like swimming there by the beach. So everything is here basically. Wow, very nice. Literally 20 minutes from our apartment, and look at this. Everywhere you go, people are chilling, enjoying sunshine with the family. It's amazing. Very nice. And look at this, and behind me they also have a really like a beach. So nice. Look at the white sign there, you see, very nice, and people swimming. Really look like the beach, right? Very nice and clean water. Beautiful. You see, look at this behind me. It's so nice, and even they have a path to walk here. So whenever you want to walk, you want to look after your children while they are swimming there. It's very nice. Amazing. Beautiful. So there, over there, you also can see that people can rent, like a taxi on the lake. So you can ride on it. And yeah, that's over there as well. Wow, beautiful, so nice, beautiful. It is a very, very nice place. I see that people are enjoying their time. You see, even like some people are swimming here. I don't know what I can say. Look at the beautiful blue sky and sunshine. It's very nice. And over there they also have a gazebo. It's really like in a tropical country. Nice. I'm so happy. I know that Damian has to work on Sunday because last time we already were in Berlin. Not Berlin. We were already in Munich and we already have a short holiday, but now he has to work. And yeah, let's go exploring more the area of here. And yeah, I see that so packed of people, you know, enjoying the time. Let's go. Once again, that's the view. Basically, people are enjoying their time. And then over there, I think that many people are playing volleyball by the beach, by the lake, something like that. Let's go. And people having a picnic. Let's go there. I think over there is the hotel, something like that. And here, you see that people are playing volleyball. And oh, nice. Many people bring the bikes, having a picnic. They're having event, I think. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice. Ah, that's a bike. Bicycle club, something like that. Very nice. Nice. Wow, so in front of me they also have an ice cream shop, and next to it is the children playground. And over there I think that is another molo. So yeah, let's go. Oh, very nice. So look at this beautiful lake in front of me, and then the walk path and background, look, beautiful blue sky. And this one is another beach, and over there is the children playground and the event and the music. Oh, people swimming, diving. It is a very, very nice. Look at the lake. Beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Nice lake. Amazing. Wow. 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 Beautiful. Pity that Damian has to work. But what I can say that next time I will take Damian here. Look at this. Everywhere you go is green and amazing and clean lake water. Wow, so nice. All is jumping and swimming because maybe the clean water. There is no plastic. So nice. And people also on the small boat. Look over there if you can see people swimming. I see that people here in Poznan, they are very, very sportive and they are very, very active. Like this. Nice. So that was the another beach place to relax, and in front of me there is the gym. There is the basketball. There are people having a barbecue with the family. It's so nice. Cycling, playing volleyball on the gym. So nice. I feel like I really want to buy ice cream. So yeah, another playground basically. I feel like I really want to buy a chocolate ice cream. And look at the queue is so long. Nice. So look like this. Oh, the ice cream looks so good. Nice. Oh, I bought one small ice cream. Small. This is a huge portion. so good. Really like it. I'm enjoying my ice cream while a sightseeing of all the type of bicycles here. They also have a kielbasa or something like that. Wow, there are so many family, and what I can say that Poznanian they really like riding bicycle. Nice. Look at these bicycles. So nice. So cute. So cute. Oh, look at this. Very retro style. Nice. Nice. Very nice. Oh, we keep walking and walking. Look at this playground. It's so nice. Wow. People are so active. I really like it. And look, people having a barbecue. So nice. Very nice. Nice barbecue. So good. Wow. Very nice. So here also another place for the barbecue. They prepare the seating and shade here, and also there is the coffee shop and ice cream. Nice, very nice. And they also prepared with the rubbish bin as well. Very nice. But they also have a nice barbecue restaurant here. Very nice. You see on the left, on the right side, there is a nice sitting area. Nice. So that is the place. Now it's time to go home. I really like the umbrella, this one. This is like a tropical vibe. Very nice. Right. It's time to go home. And yeah, I think that's all my video, guys, today. It's very nice, enjoyable. So this is how actually my life in Poznan, Poland. Like I told you, everywhere you go, green park, lake. So jesteś u siebie, you are at home, right? Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. So that's the bus to go home. It's already waiting. Let's go. So many nice brand new housing complex here. Wow. You see on the left, on the right side. Nice. And they keep building and building as well.